So as of now, just understand. So basically, we can go for a small kind of task, and desktop we can go for all desktop application. And for web, if you want to interact with the website, you can go with the web recording. Okay, and image. So if you are not getting the select task, or you can go with the image automations. Okay, so let's say assume that this browser is available on the other virtual machine. Okay, it's an image. Okay, and this application you won't get any select task. Then go to UiPath Studio. Let's say I'm going to create a one more, that is called image. Okay, so here I'm going here and click on image, and see here there is no record option. Also there is an option, click image, click text and type and select copy. These are the manual recording. Let's say click image. If I select this option, and you will get some kind of red indicated box. Okay, right? So let's say if I'm going to just highlight this. Okay, as an image, if I capture this, and then it will be selected. Here you have an option to set mouse position. I leave it as a center, click on OK, and then click save. Okay, now it's a captured image, so there is no selector for it, so it's an image kind of things. Okay, and then if I run this, and it will go and click on this button based on the image. Okay, this is called image automation. Okay, so this you would expect maybe from any, if any kind of legacy application. If I say legacy application, it will be developed, it will be like very old applications. So there you cannot highlight or identify through this desktop or web. Okay, and that particular time you can utilize this image automations. Okay, this image kind of things. Even if you type here like image, so there will be a lot of options like from the image. And let's say text. Okay, text. So there are a lot of text activity available. Click text, double click text, these are the image automation kind. So if you if for example using these activity, if you are able to interact with the application, either web or windows, that's fine. Okay, if you are not able to interact with the application, that might be because of the application might be a legacy application, or it's a very old one. So then that kind of situation, you can go with the image and keystroke automation. So we have a different